Department of Mathematics offer the open course applicable mathematics in undergraduate 5th semester. The syllabus of the course is designed for the students who belongs to arts, commerce and other science students. The paper includes most of the topic from high school level and a few topics from plus 1 and plus 2 level mathematics. The content of the course is purely based on daily life problems, especially for competitive exam type methods. I want to say a few words about mathematics before I explain the syllabus. Mathematics is a study of measurements, numbers, and space, which is one of the first science that human work to develop because of its great importance and benefit. It is the pillar of organized life for the present day. Without numbers and mathematical evidence, we cannot resolve many problems in our daily lives. We know that a number is a mathematical value used for counting or labeling objects. Numbers are used to performing arithmetic calculation. The number system is the system of naming or representing numbers. And applicable mathematics is a combination of mathematical sciences. The mathematical work on practical problems by formulating and studying mathematical models. The course contains only 4 modules. There is no textbooks available for this paper. Refer only school level mathematics textbooks. In Module 1, we have a brief review of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Then introduce HCF and LCM of integers, fractions and simplifications using BODMAS rule. A number system is defined as a system of writing to express numbers. It is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. It provides a unique representation of every number and allows us to operate arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The next topic is fraction. A fraction represents parts of a whole. When something is broken up into a number of parts, the fraction represents how many of those parts you have. Ratio is a mathematical term used for comparing the size of one part to another part. Then proportion compares one part to the whole. The term percent means out of 100. In mathematics, percentage are used like fractions and decimals as ways to describe parts of a whole. The next one is profit and loss. It is a formula used in mathematics to determine the price of a commodity in the market and understand how profitable a business is. Every product has a cost price and selling price. The last topic is squares and square roots. Both are the concept which are opposite in nature to each other. Squares are the numbers generated after multiplying a value by itself, whereas square roots of a number is a value which on getting multiplied by itself gives the original value. In Model 2, the first topic is quadratic equations. We know that the quadratic equation contains only powers of x that are non-negative integers and therefore it is a polynomial equation. Next one is permutation and combinations. The various ways in which objects from a set may be selected, generally without replacement, to form subsets. This selection of subsets is called a permutation. When the order of selection is a factor, a combination when order is not a factor. Then trigonometry is the study of relationship between side, length and angles of triangles. It is a system that helps us to work out missing or unknown side, length or angle in a triangle. One of the main application of trigonometry is to find the distance between two or more than two places or to find the height of the object or the angle subtended by any object at a given point without measuring the distance or heights or angles. In Module 3, the first topic is interest. The money to be repaid is usually more than the borrowed amount since lenders require compensation for the loss of use of the money during the loan period. The difference between the total repayment sum and the original loan is the interest charged. The interest charged is applicable to the principal amount. Next is time and work. It deals with the simultaneous performance involving the efficiency of an individual or a group and the time taken by them to complete a piece of work. Work is the effort applied to produce and accomplish a task. Salary is a fixed amount of money or compensation paid to an employee by an employer in return for work performed. It is commonly paid in fixed interval, for example, monthly payments of 1/12 of the annual salary. In this chapter, we learn the mathematical relationship between the speed, distance and time. Also, the speed of a moving body is the distance travelled by it in unit time. The last one is exponential and logarithmic series. Both are opposite to one another. The inverse of an exponential function is a logarithmic function and vice versa. Thus, the two functions undo each other. The last module is a elementary mensuration, elementary algebra and differential calculus. It contains three subdivisions. The first subdivision is a polygon. It is a two-dimensional shape made of straight lines. Triangles and rectangles are polygons. Only calculate the area and perimeter of the polygons. The next one is elementary algebra. It deals with the general properties of numbers and the relations between them. There are different types of polynomials with respect to their number of terms. There are polynomials with one term, two terms, three terms and even more. Based on the number of terms, the polynomials are classified as monomial, binomial and polynomial. The last section is differential calculus. It is a procedure for finding the exact derivative directly from the formula of the function without having to use graphical method. Use the rules, that is, standard results find the derivative of almost all functions. I think that you understand the basic content of the paper with this explanation. The truth is that we use mathematics all the time. Mathematics is very useful in everyday life. It can help us to do many things that are important in our everyday life, such as managing money, understanding discounts and buying for the best price, distance traveled, the shortest route to take to reach a destination. Thus, how one experiences mathematical applications in daily life from the time one gets up from bed till one goes to bed in the night. Students, Those who are willing to solve problems by using mathematical logic and also have an interest in mathematics, welcome to join our open course Applicable Mathematics. Thank you.